Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Signature, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to, let me go back, right here we have to scroll and find the security and privacy. Then let's go to device unlock and choose Face and Fingerprint Unlock. If you do not have any kind of regular screen lock currently applied, you will have to do it right now. You have to set it. If you've got one, it will be just transferred to another step. So let me pick the pattern. Let me quickly set it and confirm. Now let's tap on Done. And now we can decide what kind of notification content we want to show on the lock screen. So it's completely up to you. And here, tap on Fingerprint. Tap on Setup. And here we've got our fingerprint sensor, so all we have to do is to put our finger on it. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. And then tap on Done. And this is our, that's our fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint. And here we can change the animation styles. So as you can see, we've got 3 different options. So just choose the option which you like the most. And now all we have to do is to lock the device and check if it is working. So let me lock it. We do not really have the sensor here. But as you can see, even though it is black, by putting our finger in the specific area where the sensor is, our device will unblock the screen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.